attention! Someone calls for help! Oh no, the building is on fire! Firefighter, please come and put out the fire! The water gun can douse the fire! Firefighter Kiki sets off! Firefighter Kiki, this is the building that is on fire! Don't be afraid, Bunny. Firefighter Kiki is here to put out the fire. Slide the water gun to put out this terrible fire. Slide the joystick to extinguish the fire on the other side. Fires have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to call the fire department if there is a fire. The fire brigade will come to the rescue immediately. Danger removed. Bye. Goodbye, firefighter. Firefighting is complete! Let's fill the fire truck with water! Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add water. Drag the hose to connect the Turn the hose to tighten it. Let's connect the pipes together. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose.
Move the red switch to raise the cutout.